PNP Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agencies and Security Managers is assessing the security measures being implemented at various establishments nationwide. Leia Ilagan tells us why.
The Philippine National Police or PNP and security managers of various establishments are now taking the lead in assessing the effectiveness of the security measures being implemented in usually crowded areas like malls, hotels, and schools across the country. This after a series of bomb threats stirred Metro Manila following the deadly explosion at Davao City Night Market. The acting chief of PNP's Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agencies or SOSIA underscores the importance of determining the readiness of establishments nationwide to respond to emergencies or any untoward incidents. Police Senior Superintendent Jose Mario Espino further says the assessment would help them know whether the security protocols being implemented by every establishment is appropriate for the area of their jurisdiction.
Hindi natin pinapasuwalang bahala ito, kaya gumagawa tayo ng ganitong coordinating conference at seminar training para paigtingin at maging maitaas natin yung level ng consciousness at awareness ng ating mga security guards.
Security measures have been currently beefed up in every part of the country. Various security groups are also taking part in this effort by implementing additional protocols and measures. Crowded places like major malls have installed additional CCTV cameras and had their security guards undergo seminars for familiarity with the different kinds of bombs.
So ano ba yung mga iba't ibang accessories na yon? Yun yung tinuturo namin sa guard na they have to be familiar with. Kahit na yung isang item lang which possibly part ng bomb, well, at least yung guard natin, they are aware na.
Vehicles and guests entering hotels are now being thoroughly checked.
Ayaw magpalinis ang kwarto. Medyo yung aming housekeeping ay nakaalala na ho, nakamonitor. Kasi katulad nung nangyari sa ibang bansa, yung terorista ay ayaw magpalinis, hindi umu-order, di pupunta sa restaurant. Yung pala gumagawa na siya ng bomba sa loob ng kanyang kwarto.
Meanwhile, part of an additional security for schools is the fast transfer of information and the immediate relocation of students into a safer place. Aside from security measures, there are also contingency plans such as emergency response team, search and rescue, and medical teams. Leia Ilagan, UNTV News and Rescue, Camp Crame.